Which of the following dynasties established the kingdom of Vijayanagara? Options: A. Sangama dynasty, B. Tuluva dynasty, C. Soma dynasty, D. Nagama dynasty. Correct answer is Sangama dynasty. The Tamil word Movendar mentioned in the Sangam poems means options: A. 3 chiefs, B. headmen, C. Dhamma Mahamatta, D. rich. Correct answer is 3 chiefs. In which of the following languages did Jyotiba Phule write Gulamagiri in 1873? Options: A. Gujarati, B. English, C. Marathi, D. Hindi. Correct answer is Marathi. In which of the following Indian states Harappan sites have not been found? Options: A. Uttarakhand, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Who among the following was conferred with the title of Khan-i-Khan under Akbar? Options: A. Abdul Fazal, B. Todar Mal, C. Bairam Khan, D. Baz Bahadur. Correct answer is Bairam Khan. Gandhiji gave his slogan of "Do or Die" during which of the following movements? Options: A. Keda Satyagraha, B. Quit India, C. Champaran Satyagraha, D. Civil Disobedience Movement. Correct answer is Quit India. Siddheshwar Mahadev temple located in Bengal reflects the architecture of which dynasty? Options: A. Pala dynasty, B. Hussain Shahi dynasty, C. Chalukya dynasty, D. Shunga dynasty. Correct answer is Pala dynasty. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids? Options: A. Mesopotamians, B. Egyptians, C. Roman, D. Greeks. Correct answer is Egyptians. The Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect China from which group? Options: A. Mongols, B. Russians, C. Persians, D. Greeks. Correct answer is Mongols. Who was the first ruler of the Maurya dynasty in India? Options: A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Harsha, D. Bimbisara. Correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. In what year did World War II begin? Options: A. 1935, B. 1939, C. 1941, D. 1945. Correct answer is 1939. Who discovered America in 1492? Options: A. Ferdinand Magellan, B. Christopher Columbus, C. Vasco da Gama, D. Marco Polo. Correct answer is Christopher Columbus. What year did the French Revolution begin? Options: A. 1776, B. 1789, C. 1815, D. 1861. Correct answer is 1789. Which civilization is known for the development of the first writing system? Options: A. Sumerians, B. Egyptians, C. Greeks, D. Romans. Correct answer is Sumerians. Who was the last ruler of the Mughal Empire in India? Options: A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Bahadur Shah II, D. Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Bahadur Shah II. Which country was the first to grant women the right to vote? Options: A. United States, B. New Zealand, C. Canada, D. United Kingdom. Correct answer is New Zealand. Where was the All India Muslim League established in 1906? Options: A. Madras, B. Dhaka, C. Surat, D. Bombay. Correct answer is Dhaka. Which ruler is considered as the greatest king of Shatavahana dynasty? Options: A. Simuka, B. Hala, C. Gautamiputra Shatakarni, D. Yagna Sri Shatakarni. Correct answer is Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Who established Sanskrit College at Banaras in 1791? Options: A. Thomas Munro, B. Jonathan Duncan, C. William Jones, D. James Mill. Correct answer is Jonathan Duncan. Which of the following Indo-Greek kings was mentioned in the Buddhist text Milinda Pano as Milinda? Options: A. Demetrius I, B. Meander I, C. Antiochus I, D. Strato II. Correct answer is Meander I.